To create a Spotify code, you need to visit spotifycodes.com, open up Spotify, select the playlist you would like to make a code of, select share, copy Spotify URI, paste that code, get code. You can change the color of the background so that it suits your company colors. You can decide if the barcode is white or black. I prefer white. You can determine the size, the format. You can share directly or you can download. Once you download, you can take this JPEG and place it anywhere you like.